There are only three ways to look at life. The first and the lowest, and this happened in the first 2,000 years of creation and humanity, is barbarism. It's what can I get, and I don't care what it takes. That's the world of Hamas, of violence. And many countries are still functioning in what we would call a balance of power. Everybody abuses the power that they have, and it is only fear, and therefore can only be force, that keeps things in order. The second is the notion of God, of the Bible, of right and wrong. And in this, we neatly divide the world into two, good and evil. And whether it's Judaism or the monotheistic religions that copied it, Islam and Christianity, and to a large extent, all religions. As the Dalai Lama said, all religions are an imitation of Judaism. Notions of Buddhism, certainly Hinduism, which literally encompasses the vast majority of the world. And ironically, even those that are against religion, they themselves are religious because they themselves understand this idea of right and wrong. They're not really saying that we shouldn't have right and wrong. They're just defining right and wrong in their own religious way and saying, okay, well, these are the values of right and wrong. And then there's a third. And the third is the essence of the truth, which is that beyond right and wrong, which is the first step, it's like a child that goes to kindergarten. Of course, they have to be taught to be nice and not to be mean. It goes without question. And the one thing that Judaism and Christianity and Islam agree on is the very foundation of right and wrong is do not do to another that which you don't want them to do to you. That is right, the opposite is wrong. But there's a much deeper story, and that is that there is a creator that loves us. And because he loves us, he gives us all a part in his story. You are created because I love you, says God. And because I love you, you are unique. There's nobody else in the world but you, and no one else that can do what you have to do. Whether you're a male or you're female, whether you're a Jew or even whether you're a tree, whoever you are, you have something special to give to this world. And it's your job, of course, to not be a barbarian, not to be Hamas, not to be just power-based and evil, to be basically treat others as you want to be treated, namely with respect and not demeaning. But in addition to that, know that we're all part of history, of his story. We all have a part in an infinite symphony. Your song, the song of your soul, no one else can sing your song. There is no other you in the universe. There never was, there never will be. There's only you. And your song is a beautiful song. It's like a flower with a color. There's no other color like your color. So you have to sing. You have to be you. Because in being you and always seeking the truth and trying to learn more and give more, the world has a beautiful flower. So shine your light. Sing your song. Give out the you of your color. Because when we all do that, the world is that much brighter, that much more beautiful.